conscience starts ignoring the intellect, then it should be understood that bad days started. Book name Maryada Purushottam Ram. The most dignified man Ram. Book introduction. This book is a collection of beautiful poetries from Sri Ram Charitramanas. An attempt has been made by the author of this book to present the essential aspects of the life character of Lord Sri Ram by classifying them on the basis of his qualities. Sri Ramcharitmanas is a holy book that is considered one of the greatest works of Hindu literature. This sacred book is like an ocean of all precious and valuable teachings for everyone living in a society. Customary, it is sung on different occasions in Hindu families as a part of a religious ritual. Unfortunately, it is now confined only to singing part of poetry, while the teachings of this holy book have been ignored and neglected. The foremost reason of the current situation of the society is the sheer ignorance towards our scriptures and sacred texts. More importantly, not getting that real meaning of what was said, not traveling back in time to extract the contextual meaning and not trying to convert it in a way which is relevant in today's time, and the result is nothing but a blunder. Ramcharitmanas is a complete guideline for a society. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya, the author of this book, is a great reformer and visionary. He is emphasized on the teaching part through Sri Ramcharitmanas. In today's phase of crisis of faith, it is necessary to understand that there should be an ideal relationship between a father and a son, the duty of a son and brotherly love. The ideals of married life are fulfilled only when the husband performs his responsibility along with the wife. What should be the relationship between Guru disciple, Swami Sevak, and how to oppose it when an inappropriate time comes? All these qualities are characterized by Sri Ram. What does it mean by Maryada Purushottam Ram? Sri Ram established the society without any differentiation and played a role model as son, brother, husband, friend, disciple, master, and hence known as Maryada Purushottam. Excerpts from the book. Vando Gurupad Ganj, Krapa Sindhu Nar Roop Hari, Mahamoh Tamapunj, Jasu Vachan Ravikar Nikar. A true Guru is neither selfish nor teaches selfishness. He is the representative of God. His purpose is only to work for God and inspire others towards God. He has the power to remove attachment and ignorance. Kam Krodh Mad Moh Nasavan, Vimal Vimek Virag Badhavan. That is, only showing off is there is no elimination of any ailments like lust, anger, attachment, disorders in someone who is listening or reading Ramayana, and there is no awakening of conscience. Ram Karahu Sab Sanjam Aju, Jo Vidhi Kusal Nibahai Kaju. Rishi Vashishth said to Sri Ram to have self-restraint so that you can succeed with God's grace. Teaching, through restraint, those powers are awakened by which one can successfully perform the responsibilities. Munigan Milanu Visheshivan, Sabahi Bhati Hitmor, Tehi Mahapitu Ayasu Bahuri, Samant Janani To. Sri Ram says to his mother, for me, going to the forest is beneficial in every way, because there I would be able to meet with the sages. So the father's permission and your consent are very beneficial for me. Teaching, if the way of thinking can be changed, then even difficulties can become a barrier to happiness. Even in difficult circumstances, Sri Ram found a way of happiness. Few topics in the book. First, ideal of family life. Ideal relationship between father and son. Grace and qualities of women. Ideal relationship between brothers. Ideal married life. Second, ideal relationship between guru and disciple. ideal relationship between master and servant, social ideals from Ramayana, and bravery and patience.